Hello everyone, this is Swayam Rai Chaudhary and I welcome you all to the second part of Marriage Under Muslim Law series, and here we'll be specifically dealing with option of puberty part. So before starting I wanted to say that the link to my Telegram channel has been provided in the description box. I recommend you all to join my Telegram channel because there I am sharing some important things related to law, some news as well, some important things related to UPSC as well. So this will be very much helpful for the UPSC aspirants, the law students, the judicial aspirants, and also for the clerk aspirants. And also I have a specific group for the discussion and all. There also you can join and participate in our discussion. So now coming to today's topic of discussion, that is option of puberty. So option of puberty का definition क्या होता है? So this is a right available to a Muslim woman to repudiate the marriage contract if the marriage occurred while she was a minor. A minor on attaining majority has the right to either approve or disapprove the marriage which was contracted by her guardian other than her father or paternal grandfather. This is called option of puberty. तो अगर किसी भी माइनर को उसके गार्डियन ने अदर देन हर फादर और ग्रैंडफादर ने उसको माइनॉरिटी एज में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में डाल दिया है, मैरिज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में डाल दिया है, तो उसके पास ये राइट बनता है कि वो प्यूबर्टी अटेन करने के बाद या फिर मेजोरिटी एज अटेन करने के बाद उस मैरिज को अप्रूव कर सकती है या फिर डिसअप्रूव कर सकती है. A boy or girl who has not attained the age of puberty is not competent to enter into a marriage contract, but she or he can be contracted by his or her guardian. Even when a minor marries without the consent of the guardian, he or she can, after attaining puberty, can choose to either ratify the marriage or repudiate it. So when a minor's marriage is contracted by the guardian, the marriage is voidable at the option of the minor. So the cohabitation by the minor girl doesn't put an end to the option to repudiate the marriage after puberty. So there is another thing that this right is not destroyed even when the consent of the minor has not been obtained, since the Muslim law recognizes that a minor is not eligible to give consent. We have discussed about that in the part 1 of this series. You can go through that. I will be providing the link to the first video in the description box. Do go through that. But there are some exceptional cases as well, where the cases in which the option of puberty is lost. So the first one is, if the minor has chosen to consummate the marriage, then it implies ratification. If she has paid or accepted meher, then this also implies ratification, so option of puberty is lost. So about this meher we'll be reading in the next upcoming lessons or the videos. So if there is any delay in exercising the option of puberty, then this right is lost, as the option cannot be open for an indefinite period. So the option of puberty is open for a definite period or stipulated time period only. So if the minor is not exercising the right within that stipulated time period, then this right is automatically lost, and later she cannot give the plea that the option of puberty she has exercised it. So when a minor has been contracted in marriage by her father or father's father, the contract of marriage is valid and cannot be annulled by the minor on attaining puberty. So अगर माइनर को उसके फादर या फिर ग्रैंडफादर ने मैरिज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में डाला है तो वो मैरिज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वैलिड होता है, एंड द माइनर डजंट हैव एनी राइट टू ऑन अटेनिंग प्यूबर्टी टू एक्सरसाइज द राइट ऑफ option of puberty. So this is a very important thing. Do keep it in mind. So this was all about the video. Thank you. Have a nice day and stay home, stay safe.